Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to check and where to find our IMEI number in our Huawei P60 Pro. Usually it's on the box, but if we don't have our box, we can look this number in our phone. For example, settings, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here we have about phone option. We need to tap it to access it, and our IMEI number is visible here. We have a dual SIM phone, so we have two numbers. These are the same numbers that are on the box. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.